These ram are out and feeding. See them paying attention to no female now. Cause they out for just out for morning. What's that one there? And now them are going to run left him. And there him is the Chris one. This is my barn. But his mother is calling him and the ram is running left him. Yeah. So we are going to an evening feed out. Me and the boys. These boys not stop running till they reach the destination before they come back. So, yo chum, yeah, all them back up on the donkey. So through that they confused, see? They confused. Yeah, here comes the donkeys. One and donkey two. So I'm going on so to meet these boys. Okay, hey donkey, say hi. So what these guys there are now? A lot of dry stuff. These guys feeding a lot of dry stuff now. So they drink water, put on weight, they just need some injection. And everything will be nice. So yeah, this is my ram herd. This is my ram herd, YouTube. That is Black Star and him brother, two different mother. And the white one there, I saw his brother. So now these guys are running, they're not stopping, because they're not coming back till 8 tonight. So they are running to a destination where after that destination they return back. So this is the way it is. So you see everything come to a halt right now. Most is dry grass burn like some like fire, don't it? I like spray. But this is how here stay at this time of year. We have this type of drought. But the sun was very hot today. Yeah man, I wonder if the sun touched down how hot today. I tell her, I go out with 5 dogs and 2 don't come home till this evening. That is today in the day now. My idea today. So just imagine and just come home. But they're still here with me. Yeah, yes, Bullman. Bullman is still here. Bullman just come in, put him back out. So you know to get to feed. He just come and now I'm heading out with the ram. And Bullman is back on the field again. So Westside, I would say one cocoa full basket. I would still say find something though, dirty tough. Instead of pot to boil, the dirty tough, also. Or whatever, rain or fall but dirty tough. Oh no rain or fall but dirty tough. We don't have to use the dirt right now, do something else. See on top of the dirt and find a way out. Yeah man. So while we are walking on top of our grave, Bridget, may I say, use up your opportunity to stay alive. Don't put yourself in any danger. Don't be a stumbling block to somebody else. Just hold your foot. Keep it level. You know? Make life easy for everyone. Don't close on your own country. Don't steal from the people them who are trying to build the country. So, Virgin, TMB say peace out until then. Me and the ram them upon a feed out. Yeah man. Sun is setting. And this is how the west side look at this time. After the 5. See everybody heading to that river coast now, feeding right through that river coast. So I'm going down there with these 2 guys that keep them together. That when the night fall, they are still together, they're coming home together. Okay? So peace out. One love, one heart, one destination. TMB say one cocoa full basket and peace to you, peace to everyone and peace to you, YouTube lovers. Love you, my fans. Love you all my subscribers. Keep subscribed. Thank you for keeping this video alive. You see, without you, we couldn't reach so far. So thank you, YouTube. Where that boy I go, only God never know. But feeding, eh? Alright, so peace until then.